Hello everyone, how you doing? And in this tutorial, we will fix sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A52s. So if you are facing sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A52s, just watch complete video and also don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix sound problem in A52s, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.